Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are all of you? I'm your teacher, Miss Tanzila, and now you are with me in English class. In today's lecture, we are going to learn the missing letter of lowercase alphabet. In the previous lecture, we did the missing number of uppercase letter, but in this lecture, we are going to fill the number with the lowercase letters. First of all, we are going to revise our alphabets. It is important, it is necessary to revise it because we are going to learn the missing, fill the missing letters. So watch carefully and try to recognize each letter. Then you will be able to fill the missing letter correctly. This is a letter A, and this one is a small letter A, B, small b, C, small c. Try to recognize it, okay, dear little learners? D, this one is small d. Look here, this one is small d. E, small e. F, small f. G, small g. H, small h. I, and this one is small I. J, small j. K, small k. L, this one is small k. L. M, this one is small m. N, this one is small n. O, O, small o. P, small p. Q, small q. R, and look here, this one is a small r. All of you know how to write your lowercase as well as uppercase letters. S, small s. T, small t. U, small u. V, this one is small v. W, small w. X, small x. Y, and Y. Z, and this one is small z. Understood? Did you recognize your letter? The lower ones is the small letters and the uppers ones are the big letters, big alphabet letters. So let's start our today lecture. Write the missing letter. Write the missing letter. We have done write the missing letter of uppercase letters in the previous lecture, and now we are going to fill the missing letter of lowercase alphabet. So this one is, what is this? What is this? It is lowercase a. It is lowercase a. So what comes after A? What comes after A? It is C? No, it is B. And how you will write the letter B? Look here. A standing line and then a complete curve at the middle. This is the lowercase b. After B, our next letter is already given, which is C. But after C, the next letter is missing. What is the missing letter here? Is it E? No. What will come after C? A, B, C. The letter after C is D. D. And how you will write D? A standing line and a curve at the left side. This time you will draw a curve at the left side and look at the B. And in the B, we have draw a curve at the right side. Now after D, our next letter E is already mentioned. But what comes after E? What is our next letter after E? It is missing. Who will tell me? What is our next letter after E? It is C. No, C is here. It is D. No, D is after C. And after D is E. But what comes after E? It is F. It is F. And this is the small letter F. How you will write the small letter F? A small curve at the top and then a standing line, straight line, and a small sleeping line at the middle. Now, what will come after F? Because again our next letter is missing. What will come after? What is the missing letter after F? What is the missing letter after F? It is H. No, this one is H. So what is our next letter? It is G. It is G. And after G, the next letter is given, which is H. Look here, this one is the small letter H. This one is the small letter H. And after H, again, our next letter is missing. Now, what is our missing letter here? F, G, H, and after H, our next letter is I. And it is too simple and too easy to write the letter I. A small standing line and a small dot at the top. And after I, the next letter is already given, which is J. This is the small letter J. This is the small letter J. Now we have filled the first two rows of our lowercase alphabet. Let's revise it from the start. A, B, C, D, E. Now let's make it sound. A, A, B, B, A, ant, B, B, ball, C, K, cake, D, D, daddy, E, elephant, F, F, fish, G, G, gorilla, H, H, hat, I, iron, J, J, jug. Now after J, our next letter is again missing. What will come after J? Let's check it. It is K. It is the lower case letter K. K. And after K, the next letter is L. But after L, again our next letter is missing. What will come after L? After L, our next letter is M. Look here, this is the lowercase letter M. This is the lowercase letter M. And after M, the next letter is given, which is N. But after N, again we have consecutive two letter missing. What will come after N? N. What will come? Let's check out. O. Our next letter after N is O. Our next letter after N is O. And again after O, we have a missing letter, which is P. P is our next missing letter. This one is the small p. I'm repeating again and again because we are filling the missing letter of a lowercase alphabet. Now after P, our next letter is Q. Okay, and after Q, again we have a missing letter. So what will come after Q? What is our next letter after Q? That is R. A small r. This one is a small r. K O M N O P Q R. Kite. Lemon. Mama. Night. Octopus. Pencil. Queen. Rose. Now after R, our next letter is S, which is already given. But after S, again we have a missing letter. Let's check out what is it. It is a letter T. It is a letter T. Our next letter after S is T. Next letter after S is T. And look here, recognize it. It is the lowercase letter T. And after T, our next letter is U, which is mentioned STU. But after U, the next letter is missing. Who will tell me what is our next letter? After U, our next letter is V. Next letter is V. This is the lowercase letter V. And after V, the letter W, which is mentioned. But again, after W, we have a missing letter. And that missing letter is X. X. What comes after W? It is the letter X. It is the letter X. And after X, our next letter is Y, which is given. But after Y, this letter is our last letter. Our last letter is missing, which is Z. Letter Z. Well done. Now look here to make a sound of S, sun, train, u, uniform, or y, umbrella. V, van, watch, X, X-ray, yellow, and zebra. Okay, let's repeat it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S T U V W X Y, and the last one is Z. Now, this is your homework. Write the missing letters. You will fill all these missing letters. You have just learned in today's lecture how you will fill the missing letter of a lowercase alphabet. You can do it because you know your alphabets of lowercase as well as uppercase. So bye for now. See you soon in the next class.